Introducing Mr. Meg, the owner of a factory. Last year he was searching for a trusted company that has a proven track record of excellence in boiler installation. It is because he was planning to install some boilers and improve the productivity of his factory. But, he did not have any idea about the right destination for that. Therefore, he discussed it with his friend and found the name O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Ltd. To have a complete idea about their boiler servicing, he browsed their website o'brienenergy.com.au. He found that they have years of experience in this industry and they have a team of highly skilled professionals. And all of their experts work dedicatedly to providing top-notch service and quality products. He also got to know that their commitment to their clients' satisfaction is unwavering, and they go above and beyond to ensure that every project they undertake is completed to the highest standards. Finally, he decided to ask them for his industrial boiler installation. Thus he called 1-3007-71759 and share his queries with them. Do you also want to handle all of your industrial boiler needs with care, expertise, and reliability? Get in touch with them.